it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and today's project we're going to take a very simple wooden box. Yes, we carry these in the shop, and now we have a kit as well, so take a look down in the comments for that link. But we're going to take this box and we're going to turn it into a very simple, easy, everyday arrangement, and then at the end, with a twist and one other type of greenery, like that, we're gonna turn it into a holiday arrangement. So this is a particular piece that by just changing out some filler seasonally, you can have a standard arrangement and be able to change it out for every season. All right guys, let's jump into the tutorial. For this tutorial, you're going to need green foam, a box, a whole bunch of sola flowers, some greenery, and just a little bit of moss. Okay, so I've already put my green foam into the box. The cool thing about these boxes that we carry, they fit exactly the size of the foam that we're gonna put in there. So just pop that in there. You're gonna have a little bit of space on the ends, but it's fine. We're gonna cover that up. Now we're gonna add just a little bit of green moss. You don't need a lot. We're not gonna glue this. If you feel like you're a little worried that it's not gonna stay in place, you can add a couple little like staples, things like that into there. But all of our greenery, all of our flowers are gonna hold that moss in place. The reason for the moss is just so that we don't see any little pieces or poking out of that green floral foam, because it sometimes sticks out like a sore thumb on arrangements. So we're gonna try to disguise that a little bit with just a little bit of moss. All right, for the greenery, what we're gonna use, I've already taken apart all of the greenery. I've clipped off all of the different stems. Now, one of the things I did do, let's do another teeny tiny little mini tutorial in a tutorial. All right, so this bad boy has 3 separate pieces of greenery. What you can do is you can slide them off and then grab a piece of wire, hook it in to, well, just string it straight up in there. Then what I do is I just fold the wire down, and now I have an extra little piece of greenery I can put in here in place instead of just 6 like big bunches. Now we have a whole bunch more, so that we can make it even look more full of greenery with that one full stem of greenery that comes in the kit. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Okay, enough of me chit-chatting. Let's just jump in and start putting in our greenery. I do like to take a big full one and put it in the center. I'm gonna take the small pieces. I want some to kind of hang down off my sides here. And we're going to do that mirror effect where if we have it on one side, we want it on another side. Now this one, the greenery is touching the table. I don't like that. So I'm gonna move that wire back a little bit so that it doesn't go all the way off. We're actually gonna do the same for that bad boy. It's lovely, right? Squint, it'll be better. We're gonna add our flowers next. All right, so we're gonna break in for a quick little tutorial on how to stem the sola wood flowers. When you get your flowers, they're gonna come loose. You're gonna grab a 18 or 20 gauge wire. Really, it's up to you, whatever you prefer. These I've cut down to size. I've got my hot glue going. Now, I'm going to do something that you probably shouldn't, and I'm going to take my wire and put it right into the nozzle of the glue gun. My glue gun drips a lot, and it's probably because of this. So if you don't want your glue gun to drip a ton, don't do this. But this is just the easiest way to do it, and it drips all the time anyway now, so it is what it is. So now I'm just gonna take my stem, pop it in there, and you're done. Now what I wanna create is I'm gonna create a dome. So I'm gonna go high on the top, and then we're gonna kind of fold it over onto the sides. So the top flowers are gonna stand a little bit taller, and as we go down, they're going to kind of get tighter to the box at the end. I'm noticing as I'm looking at this. Do you see this slopes this way and that one goes up? So I need to adjust a little bit, and we will in 1 second after I get these in here. We want to change this just slightly and make it seasonal. What I grabbed is some holiday greenery. We're going to fill this in just a little bit. So we're going to keep the neutral colors of the cream flowers with the bark and the raw flowers, but we're going to add in a little bit of this holly that we have in the shop. Now this will not come in the kit, but you could grab that if you wanted to just change this up for the season. And I think we're going to just keep it on its normal stems. But again, this is one of those greeneries, which actually I might have to do that. It looks like it. Let's see here. This is one of those greeneries where you can take these off and then just put a wire right through there to be able to put it into your arrangement. And I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna grab some wire and we're gonna put those in. Wired up on our floral wire, and then we've got some that are bigger, but I'm wondering if maybe we'll just use the little guys. We'll see, let's try this. So we're gonna add just a few of these in here to instantly change it into a holiday piece. I don't know what it is about just red berries being put in something, but it instantly screams holiday to me, so. And this got just a teeny tiny bit of glitter. Not crazy in any way, just enough to be like, hi, how are you? I refer to these type of arrangements as a 360 arrangement. So it's one of those that on every single side you want it looking pretty and gorgeous, so that no matter where you are on the table, when you see this, you get a pretty little show. It's transformed into a holiday arrangement. There you have it, guys. Super simple. We took and created this lovely everyday arrangement, but you throw in a couple little extra pieces of filler seasonally, and you have a 365-day-a-year type arrangement with just a little bit of tinkering every season. How simple, sweet, and cute is that? We do now have these kits in our shop with the white box, the cream flowers, this particular greenery. You get your foam, everything that you need to create this project minus the seasonal filler. But we have that in the shop too, so if you want to add that to this, awesome. If not, you have a beautiful arrangement. You can also dye these flowers, super simple. I like to keep them cream and with the bark and stuff to just be a more neutral arrangement, but whatever you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down in the comments. We'll answer those as soon as we can. And to learn more about our sola wood flowers that we have over, I think, 100 different styles now, go to ohyourelovely.com. And if you're loving these tutorials, can't get enough, I mean, come on, you guys. We love that you are loving these. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.